All right, a quick update on AVT. So AVT had a nice run up here. Ultimately, we did form a wick. We got stuck right at the 272 and we spiked up almost to the 1618 here. So it does look like it's coming down to retest the high from 2022 as support at about 397 to $4 here. So that could be what is in play here if we zoom into the daily chart. If you wanted a much smaller price, a tighter price to watch, we could simply go from that low to the high. You can see it bounced on the 382 and then took that support out at 596, and it looks like we hit the point 0.5 at about 484. So just keep it real simple. Any lower than 484, then you're going to drop another 22% down to the top here and the 618, and that should hold for support. I don't think it's going to fall any lower than that $4 range at 397. So just keep an eye on those much smaller prices. Now zooming all the way out, looking at the weekly chart, where we're getting stuck here for the second weekly candle at 660. That of course is going to be your big price to beat. So if you drop 22% back down to $4 and you get a bounce, 660 is going to be your first big major price to get over here. We really need to get a weekly candle close over that price target. Now, as for a potential target in the bull market here, you can see that, let me get this over here, that pretty much we're just going to go from the top here because there's a good chance you're coming back to retest that $4 top there. So you can see that currently AVT has a $30 million market cap, and you can see potentially a 10x up to a $250 million market cap at $43, and then half a billion would be 500 million at $82, and that is a 20x on top of what we've already achieved here. And then potentially, if you're bullish, bullish on AVT here, a $3.2 billion market cap takes you all the way up here to over $500, and that is a 126x from the support here at 4 here. If we continue holding support where we are now, and this thing continues to go, and you think it can hit a 3 billion market cap, you're looking at a 100x here. And potentially, if you bought the bottom down here in this accumulation, wow, that's a 700x on your investment return. So we're just gonna go from, we'll just go from the low. So say you bought the low on this thing, you are already up right now off of that wick. If you were to have taken profit, you were up 17x already. And this thing I think is easily going to hit 500 million market cap. So if you've been holding AVT from the bottom, you're going to get your 100x here, 126x up to $82 to the 2618. So yeah, we will leave it at that. Just watch those support levels and then watch the move to break out over 660 and then onwards and upwards for AVT from here on out. So it has a lot of room to grow. Like I said, a very low market cap still. So we will leave it at that on AVT. Good luck, not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.